being told, they don't have a dock. It's going to be driver assist at the shipper and driver assist at the receiver. So this ought to be interesting. Let's see how this goes. Just under a mile to go. It has been raining like this, guys, all day. All day. Like literally all day. It's been so frustrating. Turn right here and then go down the ways, turn left. I'm going to turn left on Dividend Drive. Over here. You go ahead there, buddy. You need to be moving on. Go. Go, go, go. Going to be on the right. 306 Dividend Drive. There's 303. It's 300. Dun, 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 dun. I believe this is where I need to go. Yeah. Y'all come around me. I gotta. Well, I think I can make that. Let's see here. Holy Crider Jack's a big old hole right there. Debris in the road. There's Xfinity. I'm assuming this is where I need to go. Let's just find out. They got a loading dock, but it's all... What kind of crap is this, guys? Come on. I got your loading docks full of junk. Loading docks right there. Oh, I hate debris in the friggin' road. Especially pallets. Pallets are generally going to be some sort of nails and crap. Whatever. this is gonna work. At least till I check in, figure out what's going on. Oh, let's go see what we can find out. So apparently they have a loading dock. Oh, jeez. And it's right there. So this will be exciting. We'll get out of this mess I put myself in. Whoa, don't cut her too close. Alright. So I gotta go up and around and come back up and do like a halfway blind side. It's kind of weird back end. This will be interesting. Alright, made it around the little loop-de-doo thing. Let's play this game. I guess I could have just backed up from there. It's kind of stupid. Like they normally go this way and go over here. Yeah. Sure they do. Wonder if I can line her up a little bit with that, like that, there maybe. Let's see what we can see with the old mirror over there, huh? Just thankful it's not nighttime. How much more of a pain in the ass this would be. That ain't gonna cut it, guys. Maybe if I pull it forward and slide it down bigger. All right, let's try and get this old girl in the hole. This is a dumbass location. Like, this is so dumb. Thunder will make you jump real good. Alright, we're gonna have to move this thing over some. Could not imagine doing this without power mirrors. I guess that's why in the old days they had 4 or 5 convex mirrors on either side so you could see everything. I'm definitely favoring the other side because I can't see it. Let me pull forward here a little bit. You gotta line up straight and have this thing in the way. Jeez Louise, they don't give you much room for air. Now I think we're cooking with some peanut oil here, guys. Pretty well straight with this side. Trying to go as slow as possible in case I do bump one of the edges. I can't keep doing the heat. That's ridiculous. I can't keep doing that. Just straight up open dock though. I was inside, so I know what it looks like in there. Just a matter of getting the darn truck in there straight. They don't have any lights in there, so you can't see anything. Just standard for these kind of docks, right? Can't tell how far back it is. Make sure that's good. See where I'm at. Before I shut this thing off, right? No, we are not good. I need to move over like a lot. Oh crap. Jeez Louise, guys. It's dark in there. Can't see anything. That's what makes it so frustrating. And you're blind backing in, basically. And I've done these things before, and they don't get easier. There's no markers, there's no reflectors, there's nothing to let you know where you're at. Move it over a little bit and try it again, you know. That's all you can do. As long as I don't hit anything, I don't care. I think I can see the bumper though. The dock bumper. And there we are. Let's see what this one looks like. Sorry if there's water on the camera, guys. I think
will work. Oh, I believe that'll work. Right on. We're good. We're gonna call it good. All right, let's get this thing loaded, guys.
Stand up for what you believe in and you get shot down today. It's got to be another hero. Lord, we need one right away. I knew a man named Jesus. They say he done no wrong. Must have been a mighty good man, 'cause they hung him on a cross. I knew a man.
Well, I got the 5 pallets on there, as you guys seen. There's supposed to be 19 pallets total with this shipment, but the lady here in shipping scheduled 2 different shipments. So an Omni, which is the broker, is trying to combine those in one truckload instead of having 2 separate shipments, which is what she scheduled. So it's the total weight on my bill of lading says 4,700 pounds, 19 pallets. What I have on there already is over 10,000 pounds. Combined with all 19 pallets, with both shipments the way it's supposed to be, would be like 32,000 and some change. So she says that she gave them the accurate weight on these 2 separate shipments, and she's like, I don't understand what's going on with the weight on these, but I scheduled them 2 separate trucks because she has what's in the truck already, this big spools. That's going to be separate. That's the way that was designed to go. And then these pallets here, these spools, are going to go with another pallet, another group of this stuff out here, all to the same location. So there's 2 separate trucks. This just hasn't been scheduled to go yet, but she was going to schedule this to go with the pallets that are right here with these things. So right now I'm just waiting on to hear back from the agent. I'm like, oh, this is not what we agreed to, and it's not a matter of like, oh, it's heavier or whatever. I just don't work for free. I'm not gonna haul a total different load than what we agreed to. I just don't think that's right, because I'm the one that's going to be paying the price for it ultimately. I'm the one that's got to pay for the fuel for the extra weight, but I'm in the predicament because it does take me home, so I have to deal with that. But I don't know. Well, I'll update you guys. We'll figure out what's going on with the agent and Omni, and yeah, we'll see what's going on. So all right, guys, we are unloaded. I'm not taking this load. I'm not doing it. They went back and forth with Kelly in the office with emails, and she's like, no, it's 2 shipments. I explained all that stuff. And Omni's like, yeah, well, we're combining them into 1 shipment. So the driver either takes everything, all 19 pallets, all 38,000 pounds is what it comes out to, or takes nothing. Can't take part shipment, even though that's the way she wanted it shipped. Omni is making the rules. She said she's had issues with Omni before, so I'm gonna add that to the list of agents that I'm not gonna use, or brokers, is Omni and TQL. Eventually I'm gonna get stuck with direct shippers only at Landstar. But this is it pissed me off because I'm trying to go home. I don't want to bite the bullet on this. I don't want to deal with the like, well, just take it, you know, just kind of like getting backed into a corner. I don't like that. I don't like doing business like that. I will eat the cost of going home. I will eat the deadhead cost of going home. I don't have a problem with that over dealing with somebody's shady BS. I mean, the load was a good load, $1,300 for the mileage. I mean, but it's the principle, what it comes down to, and that's what I have a problem with. I'm not gonna continue doing business with somebody that's doing some shady stuff. Even Kelly, the shipment manager, she's like, I wouldn't do it either. Like, it's just shady. It's one thing if you book the load at 38,000, whatever the case is. And I know you guys are gonna give me shit, and I don't care. It's about the principle. If it wasn't a, hey, you either take it all or you take nothing kind of ultimatum, then I would probably take it, because I was ready to take this load. I'm like, whatever, you're gonna give me an extra 200 bucks. That's fine, I'll deal with it. But then I finally got the call back, and the Landstar agent said, hey, look, you either take it or you take nothing. You take all of it or nothing. And it just kind of was like that. It just rubbed me the wrong way, and I don't want to do that. I'm not going to do business with shady people. There's no reason to cheat, steal, and lie, you know, or litter either. While we're on that, but somebody else will come in here and book this load, which is fine. Whatever, take the load. I don't care. It's just something I don't want to do business with. And as far as you guys that are going to say, oh well, what about a load that's lighter than what it's supposed to be? I call about those too. I'm saying, hey, this is we agreed up to this much weight, which is generally that's how that goes. Is, hey, I'm booking this load for 35,000 pounds. If it's under that, then okay, hey, that's awesome. But it's still the same amount of pallets. But when it changes, where it's going to cost me more money, because I'm the one that's ultimately going to be paying the price for whatever I haul, whether it's something light or something heavy. I'm the one that has to eat the cost. So I'm not going to play with the same rules that were established at the beginning of the game once I get somewhere and it's like, oh well, this load's this, or whatever the case it is. Even if there's more pallets, I still call and say, hey, there's you know, there's more pallets than what were scheduled. It's fine with me, you know, it's only 200 pounds, whatever it is. I don't care about that kind of stuff. But when it's supposed to be 4,700 pounds and you're going to drop 38,000 in the box, like that's a huge difference, especially going over Mount Eagle. Unfortunately, it's the load that was supposed to take me home, and I'm not going to take it, because like I said, I'll eat the cost, guys. I know I've kind of rambled on here, but I think I've made my point. It's about the principle. It comes down to the principle. I'm not going to take the load. But I'm going to get out of this dock, guys, and I'm going to go home and enjoy the tournament. Softball tournament tomorrow with my daughter. And speaking of that, if this was going somewhere else, and if I didn't have to like get home, if it wasn't like I got to get home load, I would look for something else. I would try to do something else. But now, you know, I've already started my clock with the other load that I delivered in Noonan. I've been sitting here for so long dealing with this. I'm not gonna book another load. I'm just gonna go home, and that's okay with me. I got plenty of fuel to do it. Fuel's already in the tank. It's already paid for. So the next load, Monday, Tuesday, whatever it is, whenever I get rolling, that'll buy the new fuel that goes in the truck. So yeah, it sucks to go out like this, but it is what it is. I'm okay with it. I'd rather do this than haul the load and get stuck with they've already texted me 3 or 4 times trying to turn on a tracker for the Omni, sending me the link for the app and all that, and it's just frustrating. But anywho, let the comments roll, guys. Let them roll. That's fine. I'm gonna go home with my family regardless, and I'm not gonna deal with their BS. So y'all be good out there. Stay safe. Let your family know you love them. Get home as much as you can, and thank a veteran. Carry a weapon. Y'all be good.